So this is just a quick tutorial on how to use Cheat Engine with your games. First of all, you go to www.cheatengine.org. I'll also link it in the description if you're too lazy to type that. After you install it, you should get this. Now, you run your game. I'll use Devil May Cry 5 as my example game. And you choose this box. You see, it's even colorful. It's telling you to press it. This is a process list. It's basically choose the application you want to modify with Cheat Engine. Now choose your game, Devil May Cry 5 in this case, and press the second button. This opens the existing file rather than creating one. I've got a few files. For example, this is Turbo Mode. Some Cheat Engine modifications require additional stuff in this case, but that only happens in a few cases, so you don't have to worry about this much. You can change the value 1.8. Let's do 1.8. The game, as you can tell, is running much faster. Much faster. So that's the thing. Now, another cool thing about Cheat Engine is you can merge multiple tables. For example, if I want Turbo Mode plus reversals or inertia, I can easily add reversals. I added the table, and all the options for it should be here. For example, I want the infinite air hike. Here you go. Got it. Plus Turbo Mode. So you can get real creative with it. Plus, all these things are unnecessary. All what you have to care about is this, and the table below. And all these are more complicated things that I don't know how to use, and neither should you bother to look at them. So that's about